Turkey's Roketsan TAYFUN missile, one of the longest-range Turkish ballistic missiles, has achieved a significant feat with 100% success in its third test launch in Rise. This development is a game-changer for Turkey's strategic deterrence and regional security posture. With TAYFUN, Turkey has demonstrated its advanced capabilities in long-range ammunition. The missile was launched from Rize Artvin, Turkey's northeastern border, targeting a precise point in the Black Sea. This is a testament to the extraordinary progress Turkey has made in missile technology. What's even more remarkable is the agreement with Somalia, which will facilitate longer-range launches. A testing center is being established there not only for missile tests but also for launching satellites into space. This dual-purpose facility will significantly enhance Turkey's strategic capabilities. Now, let's talk about the moment that has everyone buzzing. The TAYFUN missile, with a range exceeding 500 kilometers, hit its target on the sea surface with absolute precision. This kind of accuracy is a rare achievement in the world of ballistic missiles, making Turkey one of the few countries capable of such precision. The recent test is a critical milestone for Turkey's long-range missile programs. During the test, air and sea traffic were halted over a 700-kilometer area to ensure safety. And guess what? The TAYFUN missile fulfilled all its assigned tasks flawlessly, hitting the target with centimeter precision. This is a significant achievement considering most ballistic missiles explode within 50, 100 meters of the target. But the excitement doesn't end here. This successful test hints at future configurations of the TAYFUN missile, potentially including anti-ship capabilities. While mass production of the current model is underway for the Turkish land forces, a version designed to hit naval targets might be coming soon. The TAYFUN missile measures 6.5 meters in length, has a diameter of 610 millimeters, and weighs 2,300 kilograms. It uses a specially developed coordinate guidance system and a pre-shaped fragmentation warhead, making it a formidable tool for destroying strategic targets. Plus, its hypersonic cruising speed makes it incredibly difficult to detect and intercept. Following the successful test, the President of Defense Industries, Professor Dr. Haluk Gorgan, stated, "TAYFUN successfully met the range and precision criteria with the new test firing. This test has confirmed the system's performance parameters and significantly contributed to its development. Our efforts to enhance Turkey's long-range missile capabilities continue to progress with proven systems. Thanks to all our teams who contributed to this success." This achievement with the TAYFUN missile is a proud moment for Turkey's defense industry and a significant step in strengthening its strategic deterrence. Stay tuned for more updates on this and other groundbreaking defense technologies. Until next time, take care. Be cute.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.